So I'd like to welcome you to the opening session of EuRAD 2021. It's been a long time coming, but we've got here, which is fantastic. So the agenda for this session is a welcome address from myself, James Watts. Can I introduce Steve Harman, my co-chair, and Matt Ritchie, the TPC chair. Following that, we've got a presentation by Barry Trimmer from Thales UK on the evolution of RF sensing, followed by a presentation on antenna technologies by Eva Rahel from the University of Carlos III from Madrid. So I'd like to welcome you. It's great to see so many people here, even though it's 2022 and this is the 2021 EuRAD conference. So I'd like to introduce you to the rest of the local team that have made this conference possible. We're really, really pleased with the number of registrations that have appeared at this conference. We've got nearly 290 registrations for the EuRAD conference, and alongside that we've got the DSS forum, which as of last week had 70 registrations, 77 for the automotive forum, and we've also got really good attendance at the doctoral school and workshops and short courses. We've got workshops on drone antennas, validation of automotive sensors, millimeter wave radars, and processing for short-range radars. And we've got short courses on MIMO radar and the fundamentals of radar design. So it's great to see so many people participating in this meeting. We've had really good numbers of papers submitted, and there's 181 submitted originally. Our reviewers have done a fantastic job. We've had nearly 1,400 reviews carried out, so that's nearly 8 per paper. And this conference includes 128 papers that have been accepted, so a slightly higher acceptance rate than usual, just over 70%. But we're going to have 95 oral presentations in the 19 sessions that we have over the next few days. And in addition to that, there's 15 sessions in joint sessions with EuMC. So we've also got poster presentations down in the exhibition hall, which I really encourage you to go and see. And there's a poster session which is dedicated to EuRAD, and also a joint poster presentation with EuMC. So I'd like to thank everyone, basically, the presenters and authors, without whom this conference couldn't happen. A huge amount of work has gone on in preparing for this conference by the reviewers and the members of the TPC who've met several times to review and produce this really high quality program of papers. And I'd like to thank you, the delegates, and also the exhibitors and visitors to the conference. There's a substantial team behind this event that have made this possible. And I'd also like to thank Horizon House and EuMA, who've been responsible for the main organizations of the event. And thank you to the student helpers as well. If you need any help during the event, any advice on where things are or where to go, please ask one of the student helpers in the orange t-shirts. I'd like to thank the sponsors. Keysight Technologies, the platinum sponsor, and also Roden Swartz, Copper Mountain Technologies, Mycian, and also Thales and Hensoldt for sponsoring the awards, which will be presented at the closing session on Thursday. So we've got a great programme. We've got 3 days packed full of presentations and posters, and I really hope that you enjoy going and participating in those as fully as you can. It's so great to be back in person, and I think we're all really looking forward to being able to enjoy talking to real people rather than just a screen. While I look at the programme, can I just give you a quick reminder, if you were here yesterday, the coffee sessions will be down in the exhibitors hall during the breaks. Yesterday and on Sunday they were just outside there, but on Thursday when the exhibition's closed, it will be back up here again. So finally, I'd like to thank you for believing in the European Radar Conference, for coming back to us, and I hope you really enjoy this event, and let's get together, talk about the science, and maybe build some really great collaborations through that.